we've been working together for, I think it's about 3 years now, and we have done a tremendous amount of business together. It's been an exceedingly successful relationship. And one of the things I've wondered is, what did borrowers think of agency financing before we got together and offered the small balance product? And what do you think they think of it now?
They were clearly very skeptical. They were skeptical that we could deliver on the terms that we were going out, that the process would work. And it took a little bit of encouragement. And let's face it, in the beginning, we had a few bumps. We were working out the bumps ourselves. After we worked them out, I'd say after a 6 to 9 month period, they now understand with clarity that it is a consistent product, one that they can rely on, one that's very efficient. And I would actually say that even if we're close, we'll win because they know we're delivering.
Absolutely. One of the things you mentioned in there is some bumps along the way. And I think one of those was probably documentation and the many documents, certainly that are required on the conventional side, that are less so on the small balance side. And I wonder what you've seen in terms of innovations that have come about as a result of those bumps in the road, changes we've made. Any thoughts about that? Any perspective on that?
I mean, clearly there was some educational process in terms of what those type of borrowers supply. Once Freddie got up to speed on it, once they understood that the documentation that we were getting was giving them the information they needed to make the right credit decision, you made the right improvements, you made the right changes, and that happened. The other bump was also very simple. I think our volume exceeded our expectations.
Sure.
So we were just all people constrained. Once we got the people, once we got the process down, once we adjusted the documentation to understand the type of borrower, the type of product we have, I think we're just off to the races. Our volume numbers, our penetration, our borrower loyalty is well in excess of what we all could have ever predicted.
What do you think the future looks like for us?
I think we're going to continue to grow. I think we're going to continue to penetrate the market. I think borrowers are going to look to us as a very stable and reliable financing partner, and it's going to help them grow their business. And more importantly, it's going to provide liquidity to workforce housing. It's going to improve workforce housing.
Absolutely.